Okay, so we have the passenger side strut out, and I also have the spacer on. So as that. So obviously the spacer's on here. And got it all tightened down. I got the studs all shaved down to where they need to be. So at this point, it's reassembly. And well, reassembly is pretty much as simple as install coilover 180 degrees from original position. This will align the new spacer to the original mounting holes, and then A-arm with the factory hardware, torque those bolts. So that would be these two right here. Factory hardware, which is right there. Those go to 30 foot-pound. That's pretty easy. Then we use these bad boys right here. Bolt, flat washer, split washer, and then the thread lock compound, which is right here. Dress it up a little bit, you know. And then boom, right on in there. Once we get the coilover on in there. And then it's just reassembly, upper ball joint, factory knuckle, factory nut, 60 foot-pound, tie rod, same factory nut, 50 foot-pound, sway bar end links. Let's see, tighten just till the bushings start to bulge. So that, you know, they start to whoop. Yeah, that's where you stop. Okay, that made sense. Install tires and wheels. Check front end alignment. Recheck all bolts, proper torque. Recheck brake hoses. Make sure you didn't mess anything up, and you are good to go. And then retorque all nuts and bolts, lugs after 50 miles periodically. So we are getting close. I'm actually pretty proud of myself. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but it is a pretty big deal. Like, you're shaving shit down and taking a lot of stuff out. This is a brand new truck. I mean, gotta be careful with it. So we'll keep ripping away at it, keep you guys updated with it. Although there's not much left to keep you guys updated with, other than, you know, proper torque spec, all that good stuff. So see you guys in a little bit. guys, so if you weren't paying attention to that last part of the time lapse, the upper ball joint on this side just did not want to get tight. It would get to a point, then it would start to spin the actual ball inside the socket. So I had to get my dad to use the C-clamp, clamp this one bitch until we couldn't clamp it anymore. And then once we did that, we tightened it as tight as we could get it. Then we let it go because it was actually settled. Then I could actually torque it properly. But yeah, that was a bitch, to say the least. Are you fucking kidding me? Okay. Interesting. It's not stripped, but it also knows when to go tight. Let's do it with the hand. That's not okay. Right. There we go. That's tight. There we go. Okay. No extra bolts, right? There is an extra bolt. I forgot to do so. Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Good God, I remember this. Okay. We got it installed. Now, not without a hitch, of course, because what would be one of my videos without a hitch? Right? So, this ball joint was not happy. It did not want to get tight. So we had to clamp the shit out of it, and then we ended up being able to get the nut to actually go up without the actual ball inside the socket spinning around and not letting us get it tight. And then it went on beautifully. Alright, I mean, we got that on there nice and torqued. It's nice and torqued down there. And it's torqued right here. Torqued, finally. And got that back on. Now we're ready to put the tires back on, but I don't think we have clearance. I think we need to go up a little bit more. So, we'll do that. And it'll be done. Thankfully. Actually, it was pretty fun. I like learning new things, you know. Add into my internet resume. Yeah, that's the word. For sure. Alright. Wheels are back on. So it's time to check the height. And boom. Oh yeah. Yeah. 2.5 right now. Mainly for the part of it's been up so much that the springs still need to settle back down. So yeah, 2 inches. Pretty much on the money. It will be here in a little bit. But oh yeah, she's done. She looks good. Alright guys, sorry, that's probably loud. I'll pause that real quick. Sitting here, watching some Cletus McFarland, my boy, and editing my video, as you can see there. And I realized I didn't record an outro. So here it is, right here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you got a little bit out of it. I did explain, you know, kind of what the instructions said that you get with the leveling kit. But, I mean, it's always sometimes easier to hear it and kind of see it from someone instead of trying to, you know, figure out what it is off of just the sheet of paper. But still, the sheet of paper is really helpful because you get all the right torque specs, you get all the right actual, like, process of it, you know, step by step, obviously. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys are looking forward to some more videos coming out, because I got a bunch stockpiled that I need to take care of and edit and get out for you guys to view. But yeah, anyway, I'll add this in, and hope you guys have a good day, night, morning, whatever time it is. Peace.